Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have a custom job that we did a little while back, and it's going through the roof. People are calling left and right, said they want this same setup. What is it? Well, I'll tell you 1 second. By the way, if you have questions, especially what I'm going to show you today, you need to give us a call. So come on over here, buddy. By the way, our Master Tech buddy is filming today. He's also the guy who did all the work on this, so you can admire his work just like me. As we're walking on, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, since you had a little extra few minutes. And here we go. We got the new Toyota Tacoma with a RetraxOne XR and the ARB Sport Bar. Now, as you know, these Sport Bars go into the bed and clamp into the cargo management system. And they're not designed for a cover. But Chris, I see a cover with it. That's right. We install these together. That's why we had to do some modification. It's about a 6-hour job to do between the installing the cover and doing this, but it looks really good. So if you have this set up and they tell you you can't have a cover, they're wrong. You can have the cover, because look here, buddy, go swing around this truck. Let's take a really good look on how this looks. Now, I do like the ARB cover, and it is made specifically for the Toyota. See, if you look here, see how it's got that little cut right there? So this is a more or less made for this truck. Also, we're trying to sell the ARB because we're an ARB dealer. But for whatever reason, Toyota has got the exclusive at this time. We're hoping to fix this. Now, we do have other available covers that work with different racks. But if you want to have this ARB, basically this is the cover you're going to go with, which is the RetraxOne XR. So you can see how great it looks. Let's go see how it works. So now the Retrax is nice. It's going to have a 300-pound weight capacity with a lifetime warranty. One of the best warranties out there, by the way. Now, if we install it like we did today, we put a 1-year labor guarantee on our work. Now, this one here, you do have a locking mechanism over here. You got a little handle here, and you just give it a little push, and you can just roll it anywhere along the track. Now, if you look here, you can still put your hand in here, even with the Sport Bar. As you can see, I can still get in there, and when I put it in there, I can lock it in place, and you can drive with it open, not a problem. Now, if you look here inside the bed, you do have room underneath the canister. Now, we did put the drainage system to the left and the right. We don't put it in the floor. The main reason is if you put it in the floor, they're going to get knocked out all the time, and we don't want that. Now, again, you reach in here, go and push your little button here. You can reach over and grab the handle. Now, this is the only manual cover that you can lock anywhere along the tracks. Some covers is all the way open, all the way closed, or they have just a couple stops. This will stop anywhere you want. And again, only the electric ones will do that. This is a manual that does it. It's a very nice feature. Now, this one is one of the better one for water. Now, I'm going to go over the water speech with you right now. No cover you're looking at is 100% waterproof, watertight, or anything along those lines. They're all water resistant and weather resistant. So, and this is no different. So again, now this one is one of the better ones, because if you look over here, they got a really nice seal right here. So that seal does a great job in keeping the water out. And it's one of the few canister covers, if you want over here, I'll show you, that actually seals the canister. You look over here, when this is closed, this is sealed. So no water is getting into this, where the other ones do let the water in, but not on this setup. So again, this is going to be one of the better ones for water. Again, it's not a submarine, but as a rolling cover goes, you're looking at probably the top of the line when it comes to keeping water out. And speaking of water, the roll bar setup has no effect on any of the water resistant properties I just mentioned, because it bolts directly into the rails here. And why is that good? Well, the rails, I'm going to open this back up. I want you to see how the cover is attached, so you can see how the rails are attached. So let's go ahead and open it back up. Now, if you look inside here, you'll see the rails are bolted directly to the cargo management system. Now, I like that setup a little bit better. Main reason is it's not like a regular clamp. We can get a little loose over time. These really don't go anywhere. Basically, they are attached to the interior of the bed. So if you're doing any kind of real off-roading and stuff, this will hold up. Now, originally this was attached to the inside here. Now, of course, it's attached to the rail, but guess what? The rail's attached to that. So it's got pretty much the same amount of strength it had before. So I like this setup. I think it's a great cover, and you really can't go wrong. Oops, you didn't see that. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a custom job we did with the ARB Sports Bar on a Toyota Tacoma with the RetraxOne XR. And if you like this setup, let me go over a couple cool things you probably want to know. For example, 3 things we've been doing for people with this. One is they come in the store, they buy the cover, we do all the work here in the store. You don't do anything. 2 is they buy the cover, we send them the directions how to do everything we've done, and they do it themselves. A little bit more work. Or step 3, they can buy the cover from us. They can send us the roll bar itself, and usually I tell them just send us a couple of the parts, not all of it. We'll do all the modifications. We'll repackage and resend it to you already done, so when you put it on, it's ready to go. So that 3 different ways to do it. Come here, let us do it. We tell you how to do it, or we do it for you and we just ship it back to you already completed. So you got options, because I know a lot of people watching this video are not local. They don't live down the street from me, so it's harder for them to come here. Now, this person drove from Port St. Lucie, about an hour and a half drive. My other video, they came from Orlando. That's 3.5 hours. So we're getting a lot of people driving several hours to have this done. And boy, do I appreciate it. By the way, the person who owns this truck, really nice lady. She made me feel enthusiastic when I met her. So, and again, I appreciate her business and I appreciate your business. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you need this setup, give us a call. We'll go over all the details just like I did now. And I'll put a link of this cover at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check out pricing. Thank you so much.